Hello, ladies. I decided to do this as just a video and then post it on my different things. So it is Diana, and I just cooked some dinner here and wanted to show you what I did because I actually did all of this at the same time. Okay, I made my salad base mix, which I always have in the fridge. For me, it has grated carrots, a lot of grated beets. Where are the grated carrots? Grated beets, grated carrots, cabbage. The carrots have turned purple too. Grated beets, grated grated carrots, cabbage, parsley, you don't have to, green onions, celery. Okay, now yes, you can put a bit of broccoli and cauliflower in here. I would not put red peppers or cucumber because they go slimy. Keep those separate. Okay, this can stay in the fridge for about 4 to 5 days. Then I made a salad dressing, and I often make super easy salad dressings with oil, apple cider vinegar, Italian spice blend, garlic powder, and salt, pepper, and nutritional yeast. Nutritional yeast is very high in B vitamins, and it's also complete protein. You can sprinkle it on your salad. I always add it to my salad dressings, okay? So I made this salad base mix and salad dressing while I was making my soup. This is just a small batch of soup for tonight. I put lots of herb stuff in it. On the bottom, garlic and onions sauteed with oil. Sometimes add ginger. Then once those are sauteed, I add a bit of water, and then I add my carrots and celery, and I cover it and let that cook for a bit. And I put a bay leaf in there, and I also added a veggie mix, herb mix from a health food store that I get, an Italian spice blend mix, salt and pepper, and garlic powder. So yes, I have real garlic here, but I do love the taste of garlic. Now I made rice noodles, and I'm going to put rice noodles in my soup, but I'm going to keep them separate in case I want to use some rice noodles into a salad one day or in a stir fry, right? So it's good. And a secret to keep these stick together: when you put them in a fridge container, add a bit of water and move them around a bit, and they will separate, and they will stay separated as long as they have a bit of water in them. Otherwise they stick together really bad. Very starchy. I always rinse them. Once I cook them, I rinse them really well with water. So I've rinsed them, drained them, right? So I'm going to put some in my soup tonight, but I could also put some in a salad. So this is the greens for my salad. Then I will add my salad base mix. I'll add some of that on my salad. Depends on how much I want. Now this is when you would put cucumber or bell pepper on top, add it chopped up on top, or anything that kind of spoils faster. I love pumpkin seeds. I have sunflower seeds out of my salad. Then of course I made a dressing, right? You can add chickpeas sometimes if you want, a few white beans or black beans. Just always remember to have way more salads and like the vegetables and greens than beans or lentils or anything like that, right? Or of course rice noodles, okay? Always more veggies. And for my soup tonight, I always chop fresh greens. This is a mixture from the farmer's market, beautiful. I add that to the bottom of my soup bowl. Okay. Now, often my noodles are hot. They're not hot right now. I'm just going to use my fingers. I'm just going to add some rice noodles to my soup bowl. Okay. Now, again, I don't add too many. And I count with one hand, but I will take this soup as much as I want, pour it over this, and let the noodle, the hot soup will wilt my kale, Swiss chard, mustard greens, which is in the bottom. And then I'll make it all nice and soft. And then I'm going to add some sesame seeds and some dulse flakes. Dulse is very, you can see it, high in iron. Dulse flakes, high in iodine, there we go. And minerals, of course, dulse flakes. I get them from a health food store too. Okay, so this is what I did tonight. Now, this did not take long because you can make a soup in a bigger pot, but seriously, I think you overthink things. Just make simple things like this. The rice noodles take maybe 5 minutes. To grate up this, yes, it took a little bit of time, but I was also listening to a video. So you can listen to a video, an audio, whatever, watch a chick flick, whatever you want to do. Get your food prepped, right? Ready. If I made this into a bigger soup, I would have it for a few days. The rice noodles can be used in a hot stir fry with veggies. They can be used in a salad. They can also be put in another soup, right? So I have things ready now for a few days, and of course, a salad dressing. All right, I hope this helps, and I hope you're inspired by it. If you have any questions, post them below if you are watching this video from YouTube or on Facebook. If you're watching from YouTube, make sure to come and join my Facebook community, Women Creating Healthy Lives. That's on Facebook. And if you're on Facebook, check out my YouTube channel under Diana Marchand. All right, bye-bye.